Hi guys and fellow earthlings, welcome to the Urban Gent. So today we are talking shampoo and conditioner, more specifically the products that we use specifically for our beard. So should we be using high street brands? Is there specialty brands that we're looking for, or specialty products? This will also address a couple of the reasons why you potentially have a dry beard after shampooing and things like that. So it'll also give you a couple of ideas of things to kind of look out for when looking for products. So stay tuned, you're going to like this one. We're going back to school. Okay, so we get a lot of guys contact us and say, after they've had a shampoo, hair on their head, absolutely fine, but their beard always feels dry even though they've used the same product. Okay, so first thing you've got to do is look at your product. Are you using kind of a generic high street brand shampoo and conditioner? If you are, look on the back. Is there a thing called sodium lauryl sulfate, or a thing, it goes by the name of SLS? It also has lots of other names. One of them is sodium salt, another one is sodium dodecyl sulfate, and there's another one which is monododecyl ester. Okay, so that's SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate. So first, see whether that's in your product. Okay, so sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, what is it? Sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, is a commercial detergent and what they call a surfactant. Now this is a chemical which helps break down the surface tension in order for a better interaction between the product and the hair. Okay, so sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. Okay, so is it bad? Should we be using it? Okay, it is a commercial detergent and it's designed to break down the grease and the oils in the hair, okay, and also breaks down grease on any other products. So, you know, why do we use it? Okay, SLS is cheap to make. Okay, it can be found in shampoos, it can be found in body washes, it can be found in toothpaste. Okay, it can also be found in high-end commercial detergents and also things like engine degreasers. Okay, so this is the one big thing you need to remember. Hair on your head, hair on your beard, two different things. And the reason being, your scalp has millions of pores and those pores release oils. So hence, you know, sometimes you can have, oh, I've got greasy hair, but you never really have a greasy beard. Reason being, millions of pores on your head, whether the oils are being released, and not millions of pores on your face. So there is far, far, far less oils actually being released into your beard. So when you're using a product that contains things like SLS, which is a detergent to strip away those oils, your head is okay because it's constantly releasing oils. Your beard, not so much, it's stripping away any kind of remnants of any oil that it's got there. So it will leave your skin dry, it will leave your beard dry and stripped of any goodness. So what can we do about it? Okay, so if you're using, you know, just a high street brand, try, you know, if you're going to have a shower, shampoo it on, leave your beard, you know, leave it a couple of days. You don't always have to shampoo it because you are just stripping away all the goodness in your beard. Okay, so you can do that or use a specific product. So the Urban Gent, we have a SLS and paraben free shampoo and conditioner. So our shampoo is made from an oxygenated hyaluron wheat base. So it strips no oils away, it leaves all the goodness in your beard. There are beard soaps out there. So when you're looking for products, just look for stuff that potentially doesn't have these chemicals, you know, that will be, which are designed to strip away and kind of all the natural goodness. A little test for you. Put a tiny little bit of oil, kind of like a vegetable oil or something like that. Just smear it on the work surface. Get a cloth, put some water on it, and try and wipe it off. If you notice, you don't, you just spread it, okay? Whereas if you spray then your detergent on it, have you noticed, you wipe it off, it's all gone. It's because it tends to be the chemicals in the detergent break down the surface tension in order for a better interaction between that product and the source. So that's what's happening to your beard if you're using products that contain things like SLS, and there's loads of other chemicals. People mention parabens. So a paraben is basically, it's a synthetic chemical used to give a longer lasting shelf life to products. Okay, so just to sum up, if you're looking for beard products specifically for your beard, look for the kind of the non-chemical ones, you know, things like the SLS free and paraben free shampoos and conditioners, beard soaps and things like that. So just look, because the chemicals in tend to be high street branded, and they're really kind of designed for your hair, not your beard. So they're designed to strip away those oils. Your head will recover, your beard won't. You keep trying that, or if you don't have access and you just want to use the high street brands, just kind of give it a few more days in between shampooing. You don't always have to shampoo. Let the oils recover and come back into your beard, and you're going to have a lovely beard, a bit like mine. So guys, that's a little bit on shampoo and conditioner, and it's a cracking cup of tea. So guys, I'm Lee Thomas. This is the Urban Gent. Stay bearded, stay safe, stay healthy, and we shall see you soon.